Top 10 foods that unclog arteries naturally and prevent heart attacks. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel Sehat Mag. Today we're diving deep into heart health. Did you know that clogged arteries can lead to serious conditions like heart attacks and strokes? But fear not, we've got a list of 10 incredible foods that can naturally unclog your arteries and keep your ticker in top shape. Firstly, we talk about clogged arteries in detail. Clogged arteries, also known as arterial blockages, occur when plaques build up inside the walls of your arteries, causing them to narrow. These plaques are made up of fats, cholesterol, minerals, and other substances. The narrowing of arteries reduces blood flow to organs and tissues, which can lead to various health issues depending on the affected area. Here are some key points about clogged arteries. Causes. The most common cause of clogged arteries is atherosclerosis, which results from plaque buildup in the arteries. Lifestyle factors play a significant role. High cholesterol levels due to diet and lifestyle choices, such as lack of exercise, smoking, and obesity, contribute to plaque formation. Genetic factors, including a predisposition to high cholesterol levels, also increase the risk of arterial blockages. Foods that contribute to plaque formation. Foods high in saturated and trans fats can contribute to plaque buildup. Excessive salt intake can raise blood pressure, increasing the risk of plaque formation. Processed meats, like bacon, fried foods, red meat, creamy sauces, gravies, butter, and cheese are examples of foods that may lead to clogged arteries. On the other hand, foods found in the Mediterranean diet can help limit the risk of arterial blockages. Symptoms. Symptoms depend on where the blockage occurs. Coronary arteries, chest pain, angina, radiating into the neck, jaw, arm, or back, sweating, shortness of breath, dizziness, fainting. Cerebral arteries, facial drooping, slurred speech, balance problems, vision changes, loss of consciousness. Other areas, swelling in feet and legs, peripheral artery blockage, vision changes, retinal artery blockage. A completely blocked coronary artery can cause a heart attack. An ischemic stroke occurs due to a similar blockage in a blood vessel supplying the brain. Prompt action is crucial because tissues in the heart and brain can die off quickly without oxygen. Remember that early detection and lifestyle modifications play a vital role in preventing or managing clogged arteries. If you experience symptoms related to reduced blood supply in any part of your body, consult a healthcare professional promptly. Number 1. Fatty, cold water fish. Our first superstar food is fatty, cold water fish. These include tuna, salmon, mackerel, and sardines. Why are they so great? Because they're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation in your blood vessels, prevent blood clotting, and improve blood flow. All of these factors contribute to unclogging your arteries. So aim to include these fish in your diet at least twice a week to keep your arteries clear. Number 2. Berries. Next up, we have the colorful and delicious berries. Blueberries, strawberries, cranberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Berries are packed with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and beneficial plant compounds. Specifically, they contain flavonoid antioxidants like polyphenols. Research shows that eating berries significantly reduces risk factors for atherosclerosis. Things like elevated LDL, bad cholesterol, high blood pressure, and blood sugar levels. So snack on these little gems. They're like tiny heart superheroes. Number 3. Beans. Beans might not be glamorous, but they're fantastic for your heart health. They're loaded with fiber, which is essential for preventing atherosclerosis. Studies consistently demonstrate that eating beans can significantly reduce LDL, bad cholesterol levels. Beans also offer other cardioprotective effects. They lower blood pressure, reduce triglycerides, improve artery function, and even enhance gut health. So whether it's black beans in your chili or chickpeas in your salad, beans are where it's at. Number 4. Tomatoes and tomato products. Tomatoes, they're not just for pasta sauce. These red wonders contain plant compounds that can help reduce the development of atherosclerosis. Lycopene is the star here. It's an antioxidant found in tomatoes. It reduces inflammation and protects against oxidative damage. So slice up those juicy tomatoes for salads or enjoy some homemade tomato soup. It's good for your heart. Number 5. Avocados. Avocados are creamy green powerhouses. They're rich in healthy fats and potassium, both essential for heart health. Studies show that avocados can lower LDL cholesterol levels while increasing HDL, good cholesterol. So guacamole lovers rejoice. Your favorite dip is doing wonders for your arteries. Number 6. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are tiny powerhouses of nutrition. They're rich in healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. Walnuts, in particular, contain omega-3 fatty acids that support heart health. Almonds are packed with vitamin E, which helps prevent plaque buildup in arteries. Flax seeds are another winner. They're loaded with alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, an omega-3 fatty acid that reduces inflammation and improves blood flow. So snack on a handful of nuts or sprinkle flax seeds on your morning yogurt. It's a heart-smart choice. Number 7. Leafy greens. Leafy greens are like a natural broom for your arteries. They're low in calories but high in nutrients. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and collard greens are excellent choices. They're rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like potassium and magnesium. These nutrients help regulate blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and keep your arteries clear. So load up on salads, green smoothies, and sautéed greens. They're a heart-boosting delight. Number 8. Garlic. Garlic isn't just for warding off vampires. It's also great for your cardiovascular system. Garlic contains allicin, a compound with powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Studies suggest that regular garlic consumption can lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and prevent plaque buildup in arteries. So add minced garlic to your dishes or take odorless garlic supplements. It's worth it. Number 9. Olive oil. Olive oil, especially extra virgin olive oil, is a staple in a heart-healthy Mediterranean diet. It's rich in monounsaturated fats that improve cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation. Olive oil also contains polyphenols, antioxidants that protect your blood vessels from damage. Use it for cooking or drizzle it over salads. Your heart will thank you. Number 10. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate, when consumed in moderation and with high cocoa content, can be a delightful treat for your heart. It contains flavonoids that improve blood flow, reduce blood pressure, and prevent clot formation. Choose dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa content. The higher the better. So indulge occasionally. Your taste buds and heart will both be happy. And there you have it, the top 10 foods to unclog your arteries naturally. Remember to combine these foods with an overall healthy lifestyle, regular exercise, stress management, and avoiding smoking to keep your heart in tip-top shape. Stay tuned for more health tips on our channel. Hit that like button if you found this information valuable. See you next time.